Taking a look at this Saitama wallpaper, or should I say One Punch Man wallpaper, and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. Stay tuned. This is a simple Saitama wallpaper application which you can use to add Saitama or the anime character that calls Saitama to your device. As you can see, just 3 alone, they don't have much. Only 3 wallpaper that they have. And if you want to use any one of these 4, I think it's 4 wallpapers here, all you have to do is tap on the one that you want. And also you see some other wallpaper here as well, which you can use. As you can see here, quite a lot of wallpaper. I thought it was 4 over, but it seems to have more wallpaper here than expected. But it seems as if you do tap on the wallpaper option or any one of these wallpaper options, you get some additional wallpapers which you can use. So yeah, you can tap on whichever one you want. Once you tap on it, then you'll be able to set it as your wallpaper, or you can adjust it as well and then set it as your wallpaper. Very easy application to use. So if I've missed anything at all as it relates to this application, so if I've missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.